This is an eagle. It has a hook-like beak. Where are the eagles? Go and look for them. I found them. Eagles live high up on the treetop. The eaglets are learning to fly. The eaglet is a little scared. Its mother encourages it to fly. To look for food. Make sure to find this fish. Wow! The eagle is really fast. Make sure to find this fish. Caught a fish! Fantastic! Make sure to find this fish. And another one. Make sure to find this fish. Wow! The eagle is really fast. Make sure to find this fish. It caught a fish! Fantastic! Make sure to find this fish. And another one. Wonderful! So many fish! Daddy Eagle has found so much food. All the eaglets have eaten their fill. They're so happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend. Eagle! This is a parrot. It has pretty plumage. Where are the parrots? Go and look for them. I found them. Parrots live in tree holes in the jungle. Baby parrots are hatched. Daddy parrot is so happy. Uh-oh, its plumage is soiled from playing in the mud. Let's wash it clean.
Wow! Wow!
Let's put on some nice-looking feathers for the parrot.
Wow! Wow!
So pretty!
Wow!
The parrot can copy what we say. Let's watch it perform. I want this. Apple. Apple. Apple.
Wow!
The parrot is really awesome. I want this. Ball. 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 I want this. Cherry. 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 The parrot is really awesome. I want this. Mango. 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 Daddy parrot has brought some food for its babies. They're full and feel happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Parrot.